friends, welcome to my channel Tech Take Easy. It's me Abdullah Hasham, and in this video we will see how we can check the strength for your password. So first of all, choosing a strong password is very important for your account, as it is the main key for your account and it is used to access your account. So in this video we will discuss how you can make your password strong and how you can check the strength for your password. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So first of all, open your web browser. It will work on any browser. Then you have to search a website here. How secure is my password? How secure is my password? Just click on it. Now you can see here you will find a website here. How secure is my password? Just click open it. Now you can see the website has been opened. Let me see, there is a little note here. It says that the website has been transferred to other URL. Let me click the other URL, security.org. So you can see this is the new tool here. So in this section you will see you have to write your password. In this section you will write your password. Let me write a random password like 123, a random figures more. So you can see below here in this section you will see how much time will a computer take to crack your password. So as you can see, it will take 1 day for a computer to crack your password. So this is how you can check the strength of your password. The link to this website will be available in description box. So let me write some of the password using the keys like and, star, and percent, etc. So I have written random figures here. So you can see it will take 100 billion years for a computer to crack your password. So this is how you can see the strength for your password and make your account strong on the internet, protect your account from hackers. So this is the way how you can do it. So friends, I hope you liked my video. Subscribe my channel to get more videos, more informative videos like this. Share my videos with other people so they can also check the strength for their password. So see you in the next video, guys.